how to add recipients in Remitly. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can add recipients on Remitly, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you would like to add recipients on Remitly, it's basically very simple to do so, because all you have to do is go ahead and first of all make sure to launch the Remitly app, and then you will see this type of interface where you just have to go to this recipients option that you can find here. Once you go to this recipients option over here, you'll find the add option from the top right hand side. Make sure to just tap the add button there, and now you simply want to make sure to enter the name of the recipient that you're adding, also the last name that you're basically adding. Once you've done that, I want you to simply go ahead and then basically enter their phone number as well, so make sure to enter the phone number too. Once you enter the phone number over here, you'll be able to see all these sorts of details. Then after that, you can make sure to enter the email address, their addresses and so on, then tap the save option, and then you'll be able to go ahead and then basically successfully actually add them as a recipient. And this way you'll be able to add recipients on your Remitly account. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.